Easy way make money online 2023. Just start a YouTube channel, create a Facebook page, upload your video. What you want to do, what kind of work at your best, just make that type of video. Upload on Facebook and YouTube, same video. Then you can earn from both platform. Make sure your video is more interesting. If your video is more interesting, then people watch more and more, watch time gain, and will get more view. If you can get more view, then you can earn much money. How much money you can earn from YouTube and Facebook? You can earn how much money depend on your view. If your video is more interesting, then you can get million view. Then also you can earn also 100 to $1,000 per month. That enough for your good living. So try to start a YouTube channel, make Facebook page, upload video and consistency, and this is most important. Upload every day or similar day. Okay, that is key to success. Subscribe the channel for more online income tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.